Hey guys, welcome back to Strike Engine TV. This video, very quick, just looking at an engine power calculator that I put on the strikeengine.com website. Link to this page in the video description. So basically, what does this calculator do? It will tell you the horsepower of your car. So it'll give it in kilowatts, PS, bhp. It'll also tell you the torque of the engine in Newton meters and pounds per foot at the engine. So how does it do this? You need to do some recording. You need to give it some data. The data it needs is you need to choose a start speed and an end speed for an acceleration run, and you need to time you need to record the time it takes the car to accelerate from your start speed to your end speed, and then you need to do a coast down at the same time. So as soon as you get to the end speed, knock the car out of the gear, lift your foot off the clutch and let the car coast down from the end speed back down to your start speed. Record how long it takes for it to do that. Also need to know gear ratios. So you need to know the final drive ratio of your car. You need to know the gear ratio of the gear that you use for the acceleration run. And you also need to know the tire width, profile and diameter of your tires. So this is written on the side of the tires. So it's going to be the first number on the tire is going to be like 225, the next one's going to be something like 40, and then it's going to be R, and that's going to be the diameter. So when you know all those, you can plug it into the calculator here. If you're working in miles per hour and or you're working in pounds or not kilograms, the first thing here is a converter. So you just put the pounds of the vehicle here, so say 2,000 pounds, that'll convert it to kilograms for you, and you can put that in the calculator. And likewise, if you're working in MPH and you want to convert it to KMH, the start speed and the end speed, just bang in your start speed here, say 50 miles an hour, so that's 80k, and then say you accelerate it to 90k, that's going to give you 144. Quick disclaimer, you should only do this on a closed road, guys, and it should only be used by experienced people. So that's a disclaimer over. Here we get into the actual calculation. This is where we put in the data that we've measured. So you put in the weight of the car in kilograms, you put in the start speed here, the finish speed here, the acceleration time in seconds here, the coast down time in seconds here, so car in neutral, foot off the clutch. You put in your tire width, tire profile, tire diameter, the gear ratio of the gear used in the acceleration, and the final drive, and out it will pop your data. So it'll give you the engine RPM that you used in this acceleration run, the average RPM, and it'll give you the average torque at the engine in Newton meters, the average torque at the engine in pounds per foot. They give you the engine bhp, the engine PS, and the engine kilowatts, the average power ratings during that run. So that's it. That's the calculator there, guys. Like I said, link in the description. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. As always, if you like the video, please vote on it. If you're a subscriber already, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber and you like this type of video, please subscribe to the channel. Look after yourself, and I'll see you again next time.
I'm feeling like this, don't need you to call me again.